offices by Mood Swings.
In today's business world, nearly half of all working adults say that their job affects their overall health. One of the leading causes of workplace-induced stress is a mundane work environment. The use of cubicles, fluorescent lights, uncomfortable chairs, and uninspiring decorations all accumulate to higher levels of stress. Furthermore, employees that do not have the option for an off-site break have reported higher levels of stress. So what does this mean for your business? One, you should probably fire yourself for not knowing this. Just kidding. Recent data shows that 36% of workers suffer from work-induced stress that costs U.S. employers $30 billion a year in absenteeism. This is a stat that cannot be ignored. Your stressful work environment is costing you big money. Rather than going through the expensive and time-consuming process of demolishing your office building, hiring a new interior designer, and building a new state-of-the-art office equipped with pool tables and a kitchen fit for an episode of Iron Chef, or simply just firing yourself, here at Offices by Mood Swing, we offer a cost-effective alternative for helping any business solve the problem of a stressful work environment.
Our company's vision is based on the simple idea of taking you back to your childhood. Our mood swing rooms have been scientifically proven to lower levels of stress just the right amount, increasing the overall productivity. Customizable for any size office, our mood swings can be built anywhere and cater to each company's likes. Here are some examples of mood swing offices we have created. Rooms can be equipped with various swings from hammocks to the ever-popular Knights of the Round Table swing. Mood swing rooms offer the professional feel of a boardroom while promoting a relaxed, fun environment any adult would prefer.
Moreover, the relaxed environment has been proven to inspire more ideas and lower stress levels employees. All this leads to higher productivity and less turnover for your office. Now, Susie will talk about the theories behind stress.
So why is managing stress relevant for your company? Stressors are events or contexts that cause a stress reaction by elevating levels of adrenaline and forcing a physical or mental response. It's okay to have a few stressors in your life, but because a lot of stress builds up very quickly, many stressors, day after day, can become a problem.
By defining the root cause of stress early on, it can help avoid negative consequences. In Selye's gas model, stress affects an individual in 3 steps: alarm, resistance, and exhaustion. In the alarm phase of stress, it may help to think of this as the fight or flight moment in the individual's experience. In the resistance phase, the body begins to release cortisol and draws on reserves of fats and sugars to find a way to adjust to the demands of stress. In the exhaustion phase, the body has depleted its stores of sugars and fats, and the prolonged release of cortisol has caused the stressor to significantly weaken the individual.
Our product would help with these phases by bringing some of the outside to the inside. Instead of reaching for foods rich in fat or sugar, caffeine or other quick fixes that gives us energy, we all need that break from reality. And Office by Mood Swings is a perfect place for you to go and forget your troubles, to relieve stress, anxiety, and return to the place where our struggles didn't exist, our childhood.
These are the best practices that helped our team collaborate.
Knowing what we are going to talk about. So before our meeting, we talked as a team about what we wanted to accomplish in our meetings. The next thing was we brainstormed without talking to one another. And later on, as a group, we each wrote our own individual ideas and then discussed each idea together. We did not criticize anyone's idea. After listening to each person, we discussed which idea we felt were the best and then made our decision. For example, like our swing project came up with one person coming up with the idea, and everyone contributed later as to what changes we can add, what we should eliminate, and everything like that. The next thing we've implemented was the solution and assigning roles. So responsibilities and roles should also be assigned based on the project the team is working on. Determine what needs to be done to complete the project and assign responsibilities to each member. At our first meeting, we decided what needed to be done and what each person would be responsible for.
Another collaboration method we used was giving time to individuals to work independently. Team collaboration is most effective when members have the opportunity to provide individual contributions. This is best accomplished by allowing members of the group time outside of work. Through this method, it gave each of us time to process information from the meeting, come up with new ideas, and complete their assigned work. During our first meeting, we scheduled a time that we would meet again, and each person was to have their part started or hopefully completed. The last way we collaborated was figuring out the best way to give and receive feedback. The only way a team will grow and become better is if members can give and receive feedback on their contribution to the team. As a team, we all worked together to complete this project. We gave each other ideas and discussed the pros and cons of those ideas. As a team, we decided which ideas we felt were the best ideas to implement to the project, and we went from there on.
So through our team collaboration practices, we created Offices by Mood Swings.